Right, this is our very first hole that we're digging underneath the rope swing tree at our place. Very first hole right here. We don't know what it is. We can just see that it's a silver rim. I don't know if you can all see that or not.
Grass in the way. It's right there. It's a silver. The dime? Nice.
Yeah, it's a dime. Hold on, Raymond.
Silver dime.
It's a mercury dime.
Nice. What?
Can't tell the year yet. 1943 it looks like.
Ooh, it's old.
But definitely got some promise. In the other spot, we had dug up a bunch of wheat pennies and
one silver dime and
that Roosevelt
regular
dime. We did get a couple of Wheaties out of there today, but this is definitely giving us promise in this yard. We just found this underneath the swing tree now, tree swing. I think that might be a locket. I don't want to try and force it open.
It might break, but
right, it might
maybe
break.
It's a religious pendant.
Or a religious pendant, but I'm thinking that's some kind of a little locket.
It's pretty neat.
It is pretty neat.
It looks like it would open up like from the bottom to the top.
Right.
Yeah, maybe. Alright.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a quarter. You got where I'm at, Xander?
Yes.
Sitting at 29, 30, 31 on the Equinox. So we're going to try a live dig on it. We got Xander shooting video, so we'll see how that turns out. Hope he does all right.
I think I will.
Yeah. But it's right by one of the old fruit trees here at our new place. But watch, it end up being a bazinga or something.
I'm going to help him dig. There's something over here. You can tell there's something. Oh, there it is.
No, that's just a stain from it.
Oh, there it is. I see it.
Oh.
That's it.
Ah, it's a regular quarter.
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Well, at least we knew it was going to be a quarter. All right. You win some or you lose some.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Right? I thought I was digging up a quarter. Look at the size of this thing.
That's a toy train. What?
Yeah, I think it's like
or a fire truck.
Maybe a fire truck.
Or a train.
Oh, yeah, I think maybe you're right. What does that even say?
I think it's a
Sinclair?
The craziest Use your brush. Use your craziest thing we've ever found.
That is awesome. Look at that thing.
I think it's a fire truck.
Yeah, I think you're probably right, maybe.
Yeah, I really think
so cool.
I think that's an old-fashioned fire truck. I think it's one of those old-time ones.
All right, the kids took it over by the hose and cleaned it up. Yeah, it does say Sinclair on it. It's in rough shape, but still a very, very neat find.
Tootsie toy. But it's clean.
On the inside, yep.
It says Tootsie toy.
Made in the United States of America. That is one of the biggest Tootsies I've ever found, that's for sure. So awesome. Alright, I wasn't going to shoot any video, but I did find a couple of goodies, but I found something that's just a little too cool that I need to show you. Working a road tear out. Did find an Indian head penny, pretty decent on this side. A little crunchy on that side. Did get one silver so far. Just a rosy, but silver is silver. Dug this ring. Sorry, wind's picking up now. It does have something inside of it there. Can't tell if I have it the right way or not. 18K it says. But this is the cool thing. Part of a pocket watch. A silver pocket watch. Now it does have some kind of a marking in it. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it says D.800. But now that is something neat. Somebody had some money. Still working the roadtail, kind of starting to sprinkle a little bit, but just found that. Thought that was kind of neat. Little buckle. All right, I was hoping, but it didn't happen yet. Them guys are working where I want to look for the other part of that pocket watch, but look at that. Rough shape, but hey, found another pocket watch. Them are definitely neat to find. Hopefully I find the other part of that silver one. That would be really neat. Yeah, they're still plugging away down there. That's where I first found that part of that silver pocket watch. That's where I want to be. But check this out. This one was a little bit deeper. I haven't cleaned it up yet. Look at that. An old bell. I don't know if it's got anything on it or not. I don't know if the dinger's in there or not. No, it doesn't look like it. Still definitely a neat find. A whole bell. That's pretty cool. Just found that big bell right there. I just found a little piece of a crotal bell. Too bad it's not a hole. Still a neat find. I think I just pulled out another ring. I haven't popped it yet. Check it out. Sure enough, another ring. Oh, this one says something inside of it too. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Kind of hard to get it to focus on it. Here's a wrap-up video. I did get a 1934 wheat penny. The rosy was a 1959. The Indian was good on this side, but a little chunky on the other. Didn't quite get a date off of that one. And this one was, let's see, I know I could see a date on it. There it is, 1879 on that Indian head penny.
It's old.
That ring says 18K, but it's a little chewy. I'm thinking gold filled. That's that bell. That's that pocket watch. Got a bag seal. This little doodad, I'm not sure what it is. Button. A couple of, I'm guessing, suspender clips. Another little ring right here. And that one actually does say 18K filled.
It says 16K.
16. He thinks it says 16K. And there's that other pocket watch lid. I was unable to find the other part of this one. But on the inside it does have 0.800. Not really sure what that means. But hey, road tarot finds. Very neat. All right, the kids and I were out digging in the yard. And we just dug that up.
A bell.
A bell. How neat is that?
Yeah. What kind of bell do you think it is?
I don't know. I wonder if it, I mean, this was an old farm site, so possibly, would that have been a cowbell? I don't even know.
No, yeah. It looks too small to be a cowbell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Cowbells are pretty big. They're like more
well, I know what those kind of cowbells are.
But it could have been a calf cowbell. Cowbell.
It's definitely pretty neat.
It could have been a calf.
I just found a button. All right, I've been hunting this field. I haven't been shooting any video, but that's something I think worth shooting video of. I think that's an infantry button of some sort. All right, there's going to be my bizarro find of the day. Teeth. Can't say I've ever found any teeth before. All right, I'm a little excited right now. I'm doing a public park. Ooh. I just got a barber quarter. Appears to be 1901. Pinpointer went off again. There's a half-in with it. I'm not sure. Ooh. Not really sure what that one. Ooh, that's going to be a barber half too. Holy man. I have never had that happen to me before. I am beyond excited right now. Oh. I don't have much water left either. I don't know what that is, 1907. $18.97. Oh, wow. Well, I don't know if there's going to be a mint mark on that or not. But how cool is that? I don't know if it's just falsing now or what. That is super cool. Super, super cool. Public park. So awesome. That's my best silver spill now ever. I'm at another public park. I just pulled this bottle cap out of my plug, and that was in there too. And she's very worn. Looks like we're going to be playing the 1 dime game. Look at that. Oh, barber. Well, so worn I can't even see a date on that. She is definitely worn thin. Oh, mint mark? Jeez, I can't even see a date. But super cool to still be pulling old coins out of public parks. Just dug up everybody's nemesis. It's this guy's fault right here, finding all them bottle caps.